So I just stumbled upon this project called EdgeVPN, and wow, it's all about creating decentralized private networks.
Wait, decentralized. That's intriguing. What does that even look like in practice?
Well, it uses something called lib2p to build these networks. It's like having a VPN without a central server.
That's wild. So how does it handle things like IP assignment and security?
It automatically assigns IPs to nodes and has a tiny embedded DNS server to resolve addresses. Pretty neat.
For sure, but I wonder about security. Does it have measures to prevent unauthorized access?
Yes, it creates trusted zones that can block access if a token gets leaked.
That sounds solid, but what about performance? Is it suitable for production?
That's where it gets tricky. It's designed mainly for development and low-end devices.
Right, so not really for high-stakes applications then.
Exactly, the decentralized approach can be chatty, which might lead to latency issues.
Interesting. And how does it compare to something like ngrok?
EdgeVPN acts like a reverse proxy for TCP services, which is kind of like ngrok but all decentralized.
That's a great alternative. But how user-friendly is it, especially for developers?
It's designed to be easy to use. You just generate a token to connect your devices.
So no complicated setup. That's a big plus.
Right, just run a simple command to get started. It's very portable.
But how does it handle file transfers?
You can send files over P2P between nodes without setting up a VPN connection.
That's pretty cool. But I wonder about the security of those transfers.
Since it's decentralized, each transaction is a bit more complex, but it uses secure tokens.
Got it, but I still wonder about the implications of using it for sensitive data.
Definitely a valid concern. The creator even warns against relying on it for sensitive traffic.
That's a crucial disclaimer. What about its compatibility with something like Kubernetes?
It can actually work with Kubernetes. It's great for multi-node setups.
How does that integration work?
You can set it up to create a test cluster, even with devices behind NAT.
That's super useful, but does it require a lot of hardware resources?
Not really, it's designed to work on edge and low-end devices, which is a big plus.
So it's ideal for developers prototyping on a budget.
Exactly, it's all about minimizing infrastructure while maximizing functionality.
But is there a risk of it being too simplified? What if something goes wrong?
Good point, debugging decentralized networks can be tricky, especially without a centralized oversight.
And what about its community and contribution opportunities?
The project encourages contributions like bug reports and feature requests.
That's a good way to foster community engagement. How is the documentation?
It looks pretty comprehensive. It provides clear installation and usage instructions.
That's reassuring. But what about the bigger picture of decentralized VPNs?
It raises interesting questions about privacy and control in networking.
Totally. And the implications for censorship and internet freedom are huge.
Absolutely, it's like taking back control from traditional service providers.
But could there be downsides to this kind of decentralization?
Yes, challenges like network reliability and the potential for misuse exist.
So it's a double-edged sword.
Precisely, it's about finding the right balance between freedom and responsibility.
And with technology evolving, it'll be fascinating to see where this leads.
Agreed, the future of decentralized networking could redefine how we connect.
And I think projects like EdgeVPN are paving the way for that.
Absolutely, I can't wait to see more innovators jump into this space.
So do you think we'll see widespread adoption of decentralized networks?
I hope so. It feels like the next logical step in our digital evolution.
Definitely, but it'll take time to address those potential issues.
For sure, but this conversation has sparked some serious excitement around it.
Right? Let's keep an eye on how this unfolds.